Question number 11. If the cost of carpeting a room 15 meters long with a carpet of 75 centimeter wide at the rate of 90 paisa per meter is rupees 108, the breadth of the room is. Breadth is equal to area by length. Breadth is equal to area is equal to length into breadth. So breadth will be area by length. First write down. Length of the carpet is equal to length of the carpet. Length of the carpet is equal to total cost by cost per unit. 108 rupees convert it into paisa. 108 rupees convert it into paisa divided by 90 paisa. This will become 120 meters. This will become 120 meters. Question number 11. If the cost of carpeting a room 24 meters long with a carpet of 75 centimeter wide at the rate of 90 paisa per meter is 108, the breadth of the room is. So this is the length of the carpet. So 120 into 75 centimeter, convert it into meter. 90. So area is equal to 90. Length is given in the question as 15. So breadth is equal to area by length. Breadth is equal to area by length. That is 90 by 15. That is 6 meters. So answer is 6 meters. If the cost of carpeting a room 24 meters long with a carpet of 95 centimeter wide at the rate of 75 paisa per meter is rupees 300, the breadth of the room is. Breadth is equal to area by length, 300 rupees, that is 30,000 paisa. 300 rupees, that is 30,000 paisa. $75 paisa. This is 400. So 400 into 96 by 100. This is 384. So 384 by length is given as 24. So breadth of room will be 16 meters. So answer is 16 meters. That is multiple choice A. Question number 12. The area of 4 walls of a room is 308 square meter. If its length and breadth are 30 and 14 meter respectively, its height is how many meters? Area of 2 walls of a room. Two into L plus B into height. Area of 4 walls of a room. 2 into L plus B into height. Therefore, height is equal to area by 2 into L plus B. Area is given as 308. Length is given as 30. Breadth is given as 14. This is 308 by, cancel with the 44. Cancel with the 44. 44 7 times, 45 2 times. 7 by 2 is 3.5. So answer is 3.5. That is multiple choice B. 13th problem. The length of a hall is 4 by 3 times of its breadth. If the area of the hall is 30,000 square meters, the difference between its length and breadth. The length of a hall is 4 by 3 times of its breadth. So breadth, you take it as 3x. length will be 4x. The length of a hall is 4 by 3 times of its breadth. Breadth to take it as 3x, length will be 4x. Then area is given. So 12x square is equal to 30,000. X square is equal to 2500. X is equal to root of 2500. Therefore, x value comes to 50. X value comes to 50. Now they are asking difference. 4x and 3x difference is 1x. 1x is nothing but x. So x value will be the answer. So answer is 50 meters. 14th problem. If the area of a square is 16,200 meters, the length of the diagonal is equal to root of 2 into area. Root of 324 is 18. Root of 324 is 18. For 2 zeros take 1 0. So length is 180 meters. That is multiple choice C. Diagonal is equal to root of 2 into area. Root of 529 is 23. For 2 zeros take 1 0, so 230 meters. 16th problem. If a park is 12 meters long and 9 meters broad, the length of the largest bamboo will be placed is of how many meters? So write down. Length of the largest bamboo is equal to root of L square plus B square. Length of the largest bamboo is equal to root of L square plus B square. 12 square plus 9 square. 12 square is 144, 9 square is 81, 225. Root of 225 is 15. So answer is 15 meters. That is multiple choice D. Question number 17. If the circumference of a circle is 220 centimeters, its area is. This is called circle. This is called circumference. This is called diameter. This is called radius. Circle, circumference, diameter, radius. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Diameter is equal to double of radius, or radius is equal to half of the diameter. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. Diameter is double of radius, or radius is half of diameter. Pi value is fixed. Pi value is fixed. That is 22 by 7. Now circumference is given, we have to find out the area. Circumference is given, we have to find out the area. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. This is given as 220. R is 35. Therefore, area of a circle pi r square, area of a circle pi r square, pi value into 35 into 35. If you multiply these two, you will get 3850. If you multiply these things, you will get 3850. So answer is 3850. That is multiple choice D. Question number 18. If the area of a circle is 154 square centimeter, its circumference is how many centimeters? If the area of a circle is 154 square centimeter, area is equal to 1 pi r. Pi r square is equal to 154. R square is equal to R square is equal to 49. Therefore, R is equal to root of 49. So, R is equal to 7. Now, we have to find out the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So, 2 into pi value into r. So, circumference is 44. So, answer is C, 44 centimeters. 19th problem. If the difference between the circumference and radius of a circle is 185 centimeters, its area is how many square centimeter? Difference between circumference and radius of a circle. 2 pi r minus r. This is given as 185. Difference between circumference and radius of a circle. R into 2 pi minus 1 is 185. So R is equal to 35. So R is equal to 35. That is multiple choice. R is equal to 35. Now you have to find out the area. Therefore, area is equal to pi r square. Pi value into 35 into 35. 3850. So answer is 3850. That is multiple choice C. Question number 20. If the area of a circular field is 13.86 hectares, the cost of fencing around it at the rate of rupees 5 per meter is rupees. Area of a circle, formula is pi r square. 13.86 hectares. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So multiply by 10,000. These two decimals shift that side. These two decimals shift this side. Finally, this has become 1,38,600. So R square is equal to 138,600 into 7 by 22. This will cancel 63 times. This is 44,100. So R is equal to 44,100. Therefore, R is equal to 210. Before finding out the cost of fencing, we have to find out the perimeter. Before finding out the cost of fencing, we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but circumference of the circle Perimeter is nothing but circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. If you multiply this, you will get 6600. So answer is B, 6600.